Hi everybody, how are you doing? I'm Mark from Untitled Paracord, and today we're making a Snake Knot Paracord Cross. Right, I've got two bits of cord, both 3 feet long. What I'm going to do, find the halfway mark of the first bit of cord, like that, and we're going to do a snake knot. It's really easy. All we do, I get the left cord, wrap it round the right hand cord like that, so you got this going on, yeah? Then you get this cord, wrap it behind the other cord like that, and then poke it through that hole. So that's the shape that you're going to get, like that. Okay. Now, you can make this loop as big as you like. You can make it huge, make it to a necklace, or you can do what I'm going to do and have a little loop and make it smaller actually. Have a little loop. There you go. Camera took a while to focus there. So that's the first snake knot, and we're going to do 2 more.
I'm just going to hold the top like that. Get the right hand cord, wrap it round like that. Get the left hand cord, going to bring it round the other one like that, and through that hole there, like that. And then cinch it up, tuck it up nice and neat underneath the other one. One more time, goes round, the other cord goes behind everything, whoops, through that hole. I'm looking through the camera so it's hard to see what I'm doing, and cinch it up.
And that's the top part of the cross done. Right, so we're going to do 5 snake knots. And the first one is going to be slightly different. So, same thing again, left cord over the right, behind, make sure you leave that hole there. What I'm going to do is poke it through the top hole, like that. So you've got that going on. Okay. Now this cord, I'm still going to wrap it round behind everything, and I'm still going to poke it through that hole there, just like the others. So we've still got this sort of fleur-de-lis shape going on there, isn't it? But we're going to cinch the whole thing up
so that there's no loop. So this might take a little time. Be careful, just cinching up slowly and carefully. I'm going to have to just push it, pull it, do whatever you have to do. There, that's the bottom.
That's the bottom. So I've basically snake knot, but I've lost the loop at the top. Now we're going to do 4 more snake knots just like normal. So here we go. So there you go. That is 6 snake knots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 snake knots for the bottom, and 3 for the top. Now here comes the fun part. Right, so that's the top of the cross, that's the bottom. What we're going to do now is a snake knot at the bottom and a snake knot at the top. This is where it gets really fiddly. So I'm sorry if my hands get in the way. I'm basically doing exactly the same as what I've done before. So I get my 2 cords together, top and the bottom, kind of squish them together like that. Get these top cords out the way. So I'm like this, And now I'm just going to do the same as before. The left hand cord goes
over the right, like that. The other cord comes around, takes it in through that big hole, like that. Doesn't matter if I've let go, because what I'm trying to do now is squish everything together. Like that. Try and get it as tight as possible. I'm going to have to pull it tighter than that.
there. So I've got that going on. Now I'm going to do the other side really quick. So I've got the basic frame of the cross, if you like. It's easier now.
Got my two cords. Left goes over the right. Leave that loop up there. The other cord, you just cross it over like that. Take it through the top. And then squish it.
Sink it together. Perfect. Beautiful. You will have a little hole in the middle. Some people put a marble or something like that in between, but you can put something in the middle if you like, or just leave it like as it is. But now we do two more snake knots on each side. Now all I'm going to do, snip and singe on the ends, and we're done. And there you go, that's your paracord cross. Didn't take too long to do. It is a bit fiddly when you get into doing the long and short bits, but other than that, came out pretty well. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And as always, YouTube would like you to watch that video up there. I would like you to watch that playlist up there. Keep yourself safe, everyone. Wash your hands, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.